Hey everybody, we're here today to talk about these DC Designs side lights for our 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. So these are great lights. They are so seamless. They are color matched and they just look like they were built right in, came from the factory like this, but rest assured they did not. Installed these a few months after we got the Jeep and I love them. I think they're great. They just look really good. They look really classy. Probably classier than having some light stick up or something on a bar, or maybe we don't look as rough and tough, but I'll take it. I think they look cool. So they are DC Designs. They're available for the JL, the JK, and I think the JT. I didn't look at everything because I was just really looking for ours. But they start at $200 if you want the unpainted, no light version. And then they're about $390 if you get color matched, light in, the whole meal deal. And they come in, I don't even know, at least a dozen colors. So it looks like they match just about anything that came from the factory. And they're called the Lucid VSL JL series. That's the official name of these. So they were easy to install. They just bolted right on, and the wiring on the Rubicon is really easy because it has accessories and you just have to wire that in and there's already a switch inside. If you don't have the Rubicon, this gets a little bit more complicated. I can't explain it to you, but I'm sure anyone with some knowledge on how to wire things into their vehicle will have no problem with this. And if not, probably just a few hours worth of work for someone who does this kind of work regularly. So if you're already going to spring for nearly $400 for this and you're not able to do this yourself, I would say just spring to have it done professionally. They're made in the USA, so that's a nice little bonus, and they look great in my opinion. Let's take a little bit of a closer look. So here they are, very simple. I'll go turn them on in just a moment here, but they just bolt on. It's all looks factory. It looks like the exact same color. So it looks a slightly different on top right now, but that might just be the way the light's hitting it. So when you stand back and look at everything, they're just really, really well matched. First I had to figure out which auxiliary button it was. It's number 4, on our Jeep at least. And there it is. So there they are. They look nice and bright. And I think that going down the trail at night, or heck, pulling into your driveway and you can't quite see the edge, I think this would be a great help either way. So they light up really well at night. It's obviously a little harder to see during the day. Same on both sides. Beautiful. I don't think I have any cons for these. I guess maybe if you didn't want a little logo on your Jeep that didn't come with it, that might be a con. They're LED. They're going to last for a long time, I would imagine. Seem to be easy to install and easy to operate. I would say the only cons might be if you have a really good eye and you don't think the color match is perfect. That might be somewhat of a deterrent. They're also somewhat expensive, so it's quite a bit of money for just having 2 lights. But I think it's probably equivalent to adding lights in any other way. So that's really just a personal preference on what you can tolerate in your budget and modifying your Jeep. And of course it starts to drizzle the second I come outside because it's the Pacific Northwest. But bottom line, I like these lights. If you have a Jeep and you need a little extra light, I think this might be a good option. All right, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching.